Namaste, hello everyone, welcome to I Travel. आज हामी आइपुगेका छौं ओशो तपोवन इन्टरनेशनल जोरबा द बुद्ध रेस्टुरेन्ट है ओशो रेस्टुरेन्ट भनेर पनि चिनिन्छ सो आज हामी ओशो तपोवन इन्टरनेशनल I have come not to teach but to awaken, surrender, and I will transform you. This is my promise. Bhagwan Shri Rajneesh. So आज हामी ओशो तपोवनको जंगल है त्यही भित्र चाहिँ इन्जॉय गर्दै छौं. Not dependent on the object of love. My love is dependent on my state of being. So whether the other person changes, become different, friend turn into a foe, it does not matter because my love was never dependent on the other person. My love is my state of being. I simply love. Also, oh, that's great. Make as many mistakes as possible, remembering only one thing: don't commit same mistake again, and you will be growing. Also, so you can see the view. It's amazing, है एकदमै रमाइलो छ है. हामीलाई चाहिँ एकदमै रमाइलो फिल भइरहेछ. Never belong to a crowd, never belong to a nation, never belong to a religion, never belong to a race, belong to the whole existence. Why limit yourself with a small thing when the whole is available? drop the idea of becoming someone because you're already a masterpiece. You cannot be improved. You have only to come to it, to know it, to realize it. My meditation is simple. It does not require any complex practice. It is simple. It is singing. It is dancing. It is sitting silently. Life does as sleep, as hunger, as everything else. Furthermore, sex can be joined with meditation, and once sex can be joined with meditation, its whole quality changes. Sex without meditation can only reproduce children. Sex with meditation can give you a new birth, can make a new human being also. There is beauty. When love flows with dependence, there is ugliness. Osho Tapoban. Statue of Shiva. The discipline can never find the master. Only the master can find the discipline. The discipline has to go on seeking and seeking and seeking, just in order to be available for the master, so that when the right master comes, he can choose you. Okay, Death Park पनि रहेछ यहाँ चाहिँ मृत्यु पार्क, Death Park, Shivapuri Baba Temple. Okay. जुगा त छैन नि मम्मी यहाँ जुगा त छैन होला नि यहाँ आमा हो र डर पो लाग्यो